Alright guys, we have something really vintage. We use that term vintage a lot on this channel. Well, this definitely fits that description. So this one, that's the original remote. We'll get into everything in a minute. This is a 1968 Ferrari P5 by Pininfarina. This particular RC car was made, I believe, in 1970. And there's a few versions that were made of this car, and this is one of the versions. I mean, this is really nice. A really nice example. Look at that. Let's look at that cool little engine bay with that spare tire. Really neat. So this is the remote. You can't really see it. It's really hard to see, but it looks like at one point this had a button here and it had a button here. You can feel that they covered up the buttons. And that's the back of the remote. Made in Italy, which is fit in for this car. Cool Firestone tires. Beautiful car. I mean, this is a really sleek, nice car. So this version, I believe, since it only has that one button, this car only goes in a straight line. But if you look at the bottom of the car, see those, what is it, 3? No, there's 4 posts that stick out. I think this had a cam wheel that you would put in there, and you just direct the tires which way you want to go. Either go in a circle, you can go in a straight line. And I think that's how this car worked. You can see it's made in Italy. Made in Italy. Really cool. Really simple. All plastic. This is probably 1/12 scale. But this is a really neat car. I'll just spin her around one more time. There's the back of it. Such a neat RC car. I mean, 1970s. Pretty cool. Some of them did go left or right. Like I said, those buttons were deleted and modified at one time. But there it is, 1968 Ferrari P5 RC car, made in 1970. I hope you guys like this one. There's going to be some oddballs like this I have, and this is probably definitely one of them. So, guys, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Take it easy.